He had some thoughts about approaching, if he found a property through a realtor.
Yes.
He wanted to know what your thoughts were as far as approaching, if he could approach the owner directly through a yellow letter.
No, absolutely not.
Okay.
The last thing you want to do is go around and circumvent a realtor. If you really want a crap storm, you just go do that. You got to remember something. They have that property listed. That is a legal binding contract. If you go around that, you're going to get sued for tortious interference of a contract, and you're going to lose. You cannot get between two parties in a contract without experiencing repercussions. So the answer is no. You either deal with a realtor or you get the seller to ask the realtor to release the listing. Until one of those two things happen, you should never have a conversation with that realtor. The minute you talk to that realtor, incidentally, they're going to expect a commission because they know that house is going to get sold. So make sure that the seller asks for the release, not you. Then if you can't get a release, then you can contact the realtor yourself and see if they want to wheel and deal. That's it. Never circumvent the realtor.